In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a tier on Patreon. If you're cleaning up your membership options, consolidating perks, or retiring an outdated level, deleting a tier can help keep your page clear and easy for supporters to understand. I'll walk you through the process step by step and share a few quick tips so you feel confident before you click delete. Start by signing into your Patreon creator account. From your dashboard, go to your main creator tools and open the membership section. This is where all your active tiers live, so you can review what's currently visible to the public. Take a moment to verify the exact tier you want to remove, including its name and price, so there's no confusion once you're in the editor. Next, locate the tier you want to remove and click the edit button beside it. This opens the tier editor where you'd normally change the title, benefits, images, and pricing. We're not adjusting content here, we're just heading to the option for removing the tier entirely, so no need to save changes along the way. Inside the editor, scroll down until you see the three dots, sometimes labeled as More Options. This menu is often near the bottom of the page, depending on your screen size and layout. Click those three dots to reveal additional actions for the tier. From that menu, select Delete. Patreon may present this as Delete Tier. Choosing this will prepare the tier to be removed from your page and stop new signups for it. If there are any important notices, such as the impact on your page layout or visibility, Patreon will show them here. Read the message carefully so you understand exactly what will happen next. Finally, confirm the deletion if prompted. You might see a pop-up asking you to confirm your choice, and in some cases you may be asked to type a confirmation word. Once you confirm, the tier is removed. If Patreon detects anything that prevents deletion, you'll see guidance on screen. Afterward, refresh your membership section to verify the tier no longer appears. That quick check helps ensure everything updated correctly. That's it. Keep your page tidy by reviewing tiers periodically and consider letting your supporters know about changes ahead of time so they're never surprised. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to delete a tier on Patreon with confidence.